Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a super exciting and quick tutorial how to create your very own AI-generated logo in Canva. Whether you're launching a new business, leveling up your personal brand, or just want to play around with a unique design, by the end of this video you'll know exactly how to make a stunning, professional logo in just a few easy steps, using Canva's powerful AI Logo Maker tool. So let's dive right in. First things first, head over to Canva. If you've never used Canva before, just type Canva.com into your browser and log in or create a free account if you don't have one yet. Canva is packed with features, but today we're laser focused on logos. Once you're on the home page, look for the big Create a Design button. It's usually in the top right corner. Go ahead and click that. This opens up a nifty little panel where you can choose your canvas size or select a template. For logos, it's best to start with a square canvas so everything looks crisp and balanced. So we'll click on Custom Size and set the dimensions to 100 by 100 pixels. This might seem pretty small, but don't worry. The square shape keeps everything perfectly proportioned, and you can always resize later if you need to. Professional logos are often made on tiny canvases, so they stand out at any size, big or small. After setting those dimensions, hit Create New Design. This opens up your blank workspace, a fresh little square where all the magic happens. At this point, it's almost like having a blank sheet of paper, but with unlimited creative power at your fingertips. Now let's bring in the AI magic. Look towards the sidebar on the left and find the Apps section. It might just say Apps, or sometimes it's a small icon like a grid. Click that and a whole world of add-ons and tools will show up. In the search bar, type Logo Maker. Canva's Logo Maker is like your personal design assistant. Select it from the list and now you're ready to start the real fun. Here, where things get exciting, you'll see a prompt to describe the kind of logo you want. Think about your brand, your vibe, or even just some keywords that capture what you're after. Maybe you want a minimalist flower logo in soft pastels or a bold, modern tech logo with blue tones. Type your idea into the Logo Maker and let Canva's AI work its magic. In a few moments, you'll see several logo options pop up based on your description. Take a moment to scroll through the results. This part might take a few moments, and don't worry if nothing is quite perfect right away. You can refine your description or try different keywords until something really clicks. When you see a logo you like, just click Add to Design. The logo will pop right into your canvas, perfectly sized and ready to tweak. At this point, you can customize it even more if you want. Change the colors, adjust the fonts, reposition elements, make it yours, and that's honestly it. You've just created an AI-generated logo in Canva in only a few steps. So whether you're setting up a new YouTube channel, starting a business, or just having fun, remember, you don't need fancy software or design skills to make something amazing. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give it a thumbs up, drop a comment down below if you have any questions or want to share your new logo, and hit subscribe for more step-by-step creative tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.